Jolupo adek mawuok e pacho ka mosebedo kogeng'negi e piny Uganda kuom higni 2 gi ketho matimo kilwa maricho e pi nam Lolwe ma Uganda gikone to koro we thuolo. Kalore kod ler mogol kod County Commissioner wa Busia Kipchumba Ruto, jo Kenya go owe thuolo kapok buchgi ochakore doho ma Uganda bang' Kenya kod Uganda bedo kod lalruok makare. Kipchumba yango ni komiti mar arita e kind Kenya kod Uganda osebedo katimo twak mano ni ji adek go nomaki dwe mar 5 higa 2021 ong'wonnegi kendo migi thuolo mar dok e pacho ka. Koloselo piny owacho ma Uganda DC ma Naimango Debora Mwesigwa onyiso jolupo mondo mi olure kod chike moketi matayo weche lupo e nam Lolwe. Jolupo adek go yango ni ne odwoknegi injin mar yie manomaki kod manomaki gi tend Uganda.
Bibi yangu anakula kwetu ni Budalangi, nyumba ilienda na maji, nyumba yangu ilianguka, nilikuwa nimeacha bibi kwa nyumba ya kapera. Sasa sijui yuko ama yuko, sijafika nyumbani.
Tunashukuru serikali ya Kenya kututoa. Tunaomba waendelee tu kushirikiana na sisi, watusaidie tuweze kusomesha watoto wetu. Bahari, mimi nimeachana mambo ya bahari.
Nimeshukuru sana sababu tumekaa kwa jela miaka 2, tulikuwa tunaanza mwaka wa 3 na tumepelekwa kwa court, ikajulikana sisi hatukukuwa waizi. Nimeshukuru.
Today we are here at Busia, Kenya to hand over the 3 prisoners that have been in our custody since May 2021. We've been having bilateral relations meeting due to security concerns between the 2 neighboring countries, Kenya and Uganda, and we agreed that these prisoners be released unconditionally. We have dropped all the charges against them, and today they are now free people so that they can enjoy their lives and back to their family.
Mine is to sincerely thank the resident district commissioner from Nyamaingo, Uganda, for having taken this opportunity to bring the 3 Kenyans. We normally call them the Buchiri 3. Buchiri because they were in Buchiri town, that is where they were remanded.
Nyithindo 1.1 million